Hello YouTubers. So today I'm going to be showing you my own snack that is like a potato skin french fries. It also looks like this, but I'm not going to take a whole lot of it. I'm just going to take about like a few of them. I'm not going to cook them in the oven because I'm going to show you what I'm going to cook. I'm going to use this because it will be easy to cook more like really faster than this. So I'm gonna tell you my ingredients. So here we have non-cooked sticking spray, basil leaves, pepper and salt, which is very good for potatoes. And I forgot one thing, so give me something. So I have milk, which means I'm gonna butterfy it because I'm gonna use a butter to melt the butter, so it'll be easy. Kind of like if I was watching like garlic videos, it would be so easy to butterfy it. So here it is. And next one we have materials. So this is a non-cooking sheet, a butter brush, which means you have to butter those french fries. And here's the cup that I need to like melt it and all the ingredients. And here are the spatula, the measure of a 1/4. And I forgot what this one is called, but it's actually like to mush up the butter, I think. And this is the knife and the fork and the cup. Well, I'm going to use a cup for ketchup and or mayo. Well, I like both, but if you don't like to mix it together much, it's okay. And I have a plate which I can use. And I forgot one thing. Hold on. I'm using a napkin, so it'll be easy to not get all the dirt out. So let's begin. So I put the non-cooking sheet in there, and I use non-cooking sheet spray because I don't think I can record it, but I did put it in here. So the next one is we're going to melt the butter and the milk, so it'll be easy to like melt faster, kind of like buttermilk mostly. So let's do it. So I'm gonna put a half of butter in the cup. And then I'm gonna put 1/4 of milk. And I am going to put it on the cup. And I'm gonna put a half of a butter in the milk. And we're gonna do this in about like 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna show you my next ingredients. So let's begin. So I finished melting the butter and the milk. You see that? So good. So next I'm gonna put some ingredients that I told you. So I'm gonna add a few bits of basil leaves. Like I'm gonna do it kind of like a little bit at once. Well, I did twice. So next one, I'm going to put pepper a little bit. Well, it's not good. Okay, here we go. Next, I'm going to put salt. And that is it. So next, I'm going to give a little bit kind of a stir and separate a little bit kind of bit. And let's do it. Here we go. So here are my potato skins. This is what it actually looks like. They're not just any kind of french fries, but they're just actually like potato skins. So I finished mixing the butter. Here we go. Next, I am going to butterfy it. and add a little bit of butter. Here we go. So I'm not just gonna actually put too much because I think a half of a butter is actually kind of difficult to do that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit kind of butter or milk in there. So, and when you're done, I'm going to show you a next one that we're gonna use. So give me a few minutes. And okay, so there it is. Next, you are going to unopen it and turn it on to air crisp. And I'm gonna go through 325. And I'm gonna set a timer for about like 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, I'm gonna show you my next one that we're gonna see. Here we go. And that's it. Here we go. So here is my potato